Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Chief Technology Officer, Executive Vice President R&D, Greg Papadopoulos.
Thank you. Always a pleasure. I think we're starting this tradition where I get to I'm lunch or something here, and yes, I do remember last year that gosh, if everybody could. If you want to have potato chips, could everybody sort of en masse open your packages now? No, truly a pleasure. Last year's talk sort of ended on an ellipsis. It was redshift, and that means ... And this talk is really about, and the next, that means that what you do, what you build, in fact, what the market looks like. And in many ways, then this, I think this, what feels like a real transformation, if not a watershed, that is happening over these, certainly now and over the next few years, about the nature of infrastructure. What's valuable there, how it's provided, what's important. What are the roles of really at-scale efficiency? What about productivity? In a lot of ways, these are akin to, we talked about the Industrial Revolution, and there's, I think, a lot of strong analogies between what we're experiencing now as generations in the network revolution. But as the Industrial Revolution was really enabled by the initial, lower cost movement of goods through transportation systems, particularly trains and ships to an extent, it allowed people to sort of move resources to where the expertise and the skills were to put things together, and furthermore allowed people to have broader markets than just their local village or city. And as we saw what that meant over time, of course, was the evolution of whole things like, well, how do you design factories?
During the course of today's presentations, we'll be making projections and other forward-looking statements regarding expected future financial results and business opportunities. Our actual future results may be very different from our current expectations. We encourage you to read the 10Ks and 10Qs that we file periodically with the SEC. These documents contain a discussion of the risks facing our business, including factors that could cause these forward-looking statements not to come true. We do not currently intend to update these forward-looking statements. In addition, during the course of the conference, we may describe certain non-GAAP financial measures, which should be considered in addition to and not in lieu of comparable GAAP financial measures. For the most directly comparable GAAP financial measures and related reconciliations, please refer to the slides posted on the Sun Analyst Summit 2008 page and the earnings call financial slides and operations analysis, all of which can be found on the investor relations section of our website at sun.com/investors.